Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Linkvertise a loading problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different methods how to do this, so I'm just going to go through these one by one. So the first method is to clear the cache and cookies. So sometimes corrupted and outdated cache or cookies can prevent the page from loading correctly. So if you're in Google Chrome, which I am in here now, we need to click on the three dots on the top right hand corner, and then we need to go to settings. Once we're inside settings, we need to go to privacy and security. And then from here, it's going to say delete browsing data, third party and cookies, etc. So we need to click on delete browsing data. Click onto that. Then it will say your cookies and other site data. We need to check that, and cached image files, and then go ahead and click on delete data. And other browsers are pretty much the similar process. Just look for the option to clear cache and cookies in the settings. You can even do a search on other browsers too. So yeah, so go ahead and do that. And let's move on to the second step. So we might need to disable browser extensions. So some browser extensions, particularly ad blockers, can interfere with Linkvertise. So try disabling extensions like AdBlock, uBlock, Origin, or others that might block scripts. So to do this, just click on your extensions tab here and then click on manage extensions. And now if you've got an ad block or whatever, just go ahead and disable it. So for example, if this one's here ad block, I'm just going to go ahead and disable it and any other relevant ad blocks, and then go back and see if that fixes your issue. All right, next step is to try incognito or private mode. So browsing in incognito mode disables extensions and may load the page correctly. So you all should know how to get to incognito mode. Just click on the three dots and then click on new incognito mode and go to linkvertise.com and sign up and see if that fixes the issue. Also disable any VPNs because that can cause issues. Also check your internet connection, so ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes slow or unstable connections can cause pages to load incorrectly or time out. And you can also try a different browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, try Windows Edge or Firefox or whatever other extension you got on your PC. And if none of these steps said that I've outlined, just pretty much wait or try again later. It might be server issues for Linkvertise, so they might have issues themselves. And if the issue persists, you can also check the Linkvertise support page or contact their support team for further assistance.